All right, y'all. I finally got my mic to working, so let's see if we can go through here and do this. I just wanted to look at some of the apps that's been updated. I said I'm gonna start doing this maybe on a daily and see what's up, see what happens, see if people like it. Let's go and check. Now I may not read all the bug fixes and all that stuff, but I'm putting them up on the screen so you can see it and maybe kind of like paraphrase it a little bit. Let's see. Let's start off with, now I did this earlier. I know some of these don't have updates to it, so I think it didn't give me anything up until I got to phone link, I believe. So we're gonna start from phone link. Let's go and check out the version notes. All right, y'all. Here we go. We're gonna start with phone link and the version notes from Microsoft Windows. Like I said, I ain't gonna read everything. I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of paraphrase a bit. They saying they want to bring you the best cross-device experience possible, which it is pretty good. I can tell you that. I love phone link. It's amazing. If they can get the messaging on there correct, then it'll be flawless. It'll be like perfect. So, and maybe get it more smoother when you share your screen, your phone screen to it. It's much better than what it was, but if it can get more smooth, then it'll be perfect along with the messaging. Messaging app, and we can't, you can't do like reactions and stuff like that. You can't do like have like read receipts and all that stuff, and we need all that. All right, let's get back to it. This release lays the groundwork for upcoming features and includes some performance fixes and upgrades. All right, so that's that. Bible, my Bible. Nah, they ain't got nothing for that. What about the game? I like this game. I like those type of games. So, I also like other games, of course, but on my computer, I don't really game much on it. But thinking about doing it one day. But as a as for right now, I'm gonna be doing those type of games. And I'm not definitely not reading all this, but I'm gonna leave it up here for y'all to see it for a little bit. I just maybe do like the headers, the art gallery scene, dated the art of freedom event, creative characters, amusing mini events, more quests and collections, fixes and improvements. Your favorite game is only getting better. Check it out. Okay. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Microsoft 365 Copilot. Experience a modern design with smoother navigation and faster interactions. App now runs as a single instance, simplifying your workflow and improving overall app management. The enhancements, significant improvements in app launch reliability and speed, making your experience quicker and more responsive. The app now consumes less memory, optimizing performance and minimizing resource usage for a more efficient experience. All right, bug fixes resolves various issues that cause runtime crashes and app hangs, ensuring a more stable experience. Improve the way links are handled across the app, making it easier to navigate and access content without interruptions. Windows Notepad, let's check that out, see what they're talking about on there. Nothing. What about the clock? Let's see what the clock talking about. All right, the clock got an update. So for the weather, version notes. What is, all right, 10/31/2022, 3D maps and general bug fixes. 8/12/2022, new radar map experiences. Now, I don't know anything about, I don't know why why has it not been updated since then, or was these updates started then and now they're available now? I don't know. I'm about to find that out, but we're going to test some of these out at some point and we're going to get back and make a video about it to see what they changed in it and have the notes pulled up. I don't know if I'll be able to see it all at once. We'll see. I might be able to do it, but we had all that pulled up and kind of test them and see what's up. All right, y'all. Mala, y'all. Deuces. You know what? Before we go, let me hit the check for update again and see if anything comes up. I guarantee CapCut come. Look at that. CapCut. I don't know what's going on with CapCut. It always says fixes some known issues and improve the trimming experience or whatever. And I done sent them feedback and everything, man. And it still does this. It's been doing this for months now since I had this downloaded. Um, I don't know what's going on. Like, every day I hit the update. It's always CapCut. CapCut is always needing to update every freaking day. And even like when I delete it off the my home page, it'll update. But sometimes if I leave it on my home page and I go hit the update, it won't come on there, but it may pop up the next day. So I don't know what's going on with CapCut. They need to fix that. Or I don't know if it's CapCut or Microsoft. My guess, CapCut, because I don't see no other apps doing this but CapCut. So we need, and also, yeah, when I take it off my home screen, it always need an update, always, because it wants to update and automatically put the icon back on my home screen, which I don't like. So I'm tired of them doing that too. They need to stop that. All right, man. So, anywho, I'll let y'all later. We're gonna see y'all on the next one. I'm gonna see, check it tomorrow. As you can see, it's done download. I mean, updating now. And I'm gonna check tomorrow to see if there's any other updates. There's usually updates almost every day to something, especially CapCut. So, all right, y'all. Deuces.